Hi everyone and welcome back to another live trading series. It is Monday, April 19th. It's around 12 o'clock noon lunchtime. What I'm going to do is showing you running the wheel on LAZR, Laser Luminar Technologies, and MVIS, Microvision Inc. I was selling cash secured puts on both of them until I got assigned on Friday. Just my luck, as soon as I sell a put on something, it tanks and I end up getting assigned. I don't know. I feel like everyone should just inverse all my options and then they'll end up making money. So running the wheel obviously is selling a cash secured put below the stock's current price until you get assigned. When you get assigned, since you own shares, you can turn around and sell a covered call. Now you're going to sell a covered call until you get called away. You lose your shares and you start the process all over again. So I'm going to show you guys now. Luminar Technologies. Okay, let me backtrack. Everyone says, even I say it, you shouldn't sell cash secured puts on stocks that you wouldn't mind owning. I always say this. I always think I do this. I kept saying I wouldn't mind owning Luminar Technologies at 20 until it tanked to around $17 right now. So it's just my luck. Like I felt like it was a good company at $20. If you can see the chart, it tanked. I saw it tank from 30 down to like 25, and I said, okay, I wouldn't mind owning it at 20. Now it's at 17, so pretty frustrated. What I'm going to do, I got assigned at 20. I'm going to sell a covered call at the 20 strike. For Microvision, I got assigned at $12, but I'm going to sell at the 13 strike. If you look at Microvision, why I wouldn't mind playing around with this for a little bit. Every couple weeks, it hits this huge spike. So it was trading at $13.40, and then it ended up spiking to $19. I am waiting for another spike here. So right now it's $10.47 a share. I do think it'll spike to $12.13. So instead of getting my cost back at 12, I'm going to get another strike higher. I'm going to go for 13. So let me just do that for you guys right now. I guess I should have just started here. Okay, so I did get assigned 500 shares, around $10,000. I am at a loss right now. April's been pretty bad for me. My stocks have had a lot of unrealized losses. I am trying to make money on options, but my stocks are going down. Kind of frustrating. So what I'm going to do is sell a cash secured. I'm going to sell 5 cash secured puts at the 20 strike. I'm only playing with theta here. I just want these to get called away. Go to options. Let's go laser. I'm going to go 31 days out. I think it is. Okay, so that ticker's not even here. Let's look at, so 20 strike, people are selling for around 120, 115. So this is $115 a contract. I should be able to make $565 on this. If we see the delta, it's around a 30 delta. So yeah, 30% chance. This is interesting. I think I am going to sell this. So I'm selling a call. I have 500 shares, so I will sell 5 cash secure covered calls. Limit, I'll just sell it for right away. I just want this to get called away. So if I click sell, making $575, sell to open. Let's get rid of this. Let's see what that looks like. If we go by strategy. All right. This is what it looks like. 5 covered calls. I'm going to do, I don't know what I'm going to do here. I don't really want to own the shares anymore. I'm kind of nervous. I do hope it comes back to $20, but we'll see what happens. Let's look at MVIS. So I bought 1,000. I sold 10 cash secured puts, so I ended up getting assigned on 1,000 shares at $12 each, $12,000 total. And again, I'm down $1,500 on this, but I am hoping to make that back with theta. I do think it'll come back. I'm not going to sell at the 12 strike. I do want to make another dollar higher, so I will make another $1,000 if I get called away. So I'm going to go 13. If we go to options, so they don't have weekly option chains. They only have monthly, so I will go a month out. If we look at 12, there's 50-50 chance of getting called away, and then it goes slightly lower. Take a look at the difference. At the 12 strike, I'm getting $150 a contract. At the 13 strike, so $100 more per contract, I'm only making $20 less. So why not go for the extra $100 per contract and just make $20 less? That's what I'm going to do now. So let's go here. 10, 13, 130. I just want these. Let's go 131. Okay, so sell to open. Let's see, $1,300 for 30 days. Let's see what happens. Okay. See how they're not getting filled right away? It's because no one's willing to pay this price. Is there... Yeah, so there's not that much volume. Let me reduce it. You know what? I'll leave this open till the end of the day. Right now, you could tell there's not that much volume. The bid size is only 2, but I will let that get... I will modify this, maybe going to a lower price if it doesn't get called, if it doesn't get purchased. I do want to show you guys a few other strategies that I have going on. You know, since all my shares are tanking, I guess it looks like my options are green, so I am a little in the money over here, which is not too bad. What's going on here? I don't really have anything important to show you. My poor man's covered call are doing well on Apple and Nvidia. I will do an update on this. If you can see here, it's my short call has blown past my strike, so I'll probably be losing this. I might be modifying it. I'm gonna see next week, maybe 2 weeks from now, if I can update this and what I can do. But pretty straightforward. I don't really have... Oh, something new I started doing. I started with the SPY at $415. I don't think it's worth that much. I do think we'll get a sharp decrease. I did buy 3 calls. I bought VIX calls 30 days out, 60 days, and then 90 days. I did this on Friday. These are pretty much my hedges. I only did 1 contract each. I'm not good at playing with VIX and volatility, so this is new to me. I am trying this out, and we'll see what happens. Anything else I can update you guys on? Nothing really. Like, if you can see days to expiration, all my options are 32 days away. I'm just pretty much sitting and staring until theta goes down and I can close them out. I'm gonna wait till closer to May till I roll these out for you guys, but yeah, we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching, and tune into the next one.